Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss worksheet 1 of chapter rational number as decimal. So today is day number 1. So in this session we discuss all worksheet 1 questions in detail. So let us start the session. First, introduction. Then what is decimal number? Now we know that if the denominator is 10, 100 and 1000, then we can easily convert it into decimal number like 5 by 10. Okay, then we know that if there is 1 0, then we can put after decimal, that is 1 digit, that is 5. So answer is 0.5. Simply we can write only 0.5. Okay, now 13 divided by 100, here is 20, so we put decimal after 2 digit, that is 1, 2, then decimal. So answer is 0.13, or we can write 0.13. Okay, now next question, 11 divided by 10, then we can write 1.1 because 10, so we put decimal after 1 digit. So 1 digit, then decimal. Okay, now next question, 231 divided by 100. So we put decimal after 1 digit, 2 digit, that is 1, 2, then decimal. So answer is 2.31. Okay, all of you clear? Now next question, 7 divided by 100. So we can write 0.07. Similarly, tell me in comment section, that is 10 divided by 1000. Okay, so comment your answer in comment box, or you can write in comment. The question is 1 divided by 1000. So what is the answer? Now next, rational number as decimal. If the denominator is not 10, 100 or 1000, what to do? Now first we converted into 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, so that's why you remember two things, that is, you know about 5, then multiply with 2, then equal to 10. If the denominator is 25, then we multiply 4, then we convert it into 100. If the denominator is 125, then we multiply 8, then it converted into 1000. If the denominator is 625, then we multiply with 16 to make it 0, that is 10,000. Okay, now here is 4. So similarly we multiply 3 into and 4 into, then we multiply 4 into 25, yes or no? So multiply with 25. Again we multiply with 25 in numerator. So that's why the answer is 75 divided by 100. Then now we can convert. So answer is 0.75. Okay, or similarly you can divide. Okay, right, 3, then we divided by 4, then 4 point, then 30, 4 7 ja 28, then 2 of decimal, so 0, 20, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, so answer is 0.75. Okay, the two method, either you can divide or convert it into denominator as 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, now 4 by 5. So here we can write 4 into and 5 into, then 5 into 2, that is 10, yes or no? And similarly then 2 is multiplied with the numerator, that is 4 2 ja 8, then the answer is 0.8. Understand? Now minus 2 by 25. So we can write minus 2 into 4 and 25 into 4, because 25 4 ja 100. So minus 8, the answer is 0.08. Sorry, minus 0.08. Now next, 3 into and 125 into 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. So we multiply 8. So both sides we multiply with 8. That is 24 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.08. 024 because decimal, we put the decimal after 3 digit, here is 2 digit, so third digit is 0, then decimal. Okay. Now 7 by 20, so we can write 7 into 2 means 5, so multiply 7 into then 20 into 5 and 5, so 35 divided by 100, that is 0.35. Now coming to worksheet 1, first question, that is question number 1I, 9 by 8. Similarly 9 into and 8 into, तो 8 रो combination किए ना 125, then 125. Now multiply 9 5 जा 45, 9 2 जा 18, 4 22, carry 2, 9 1 जा 9, 2 11. Okay, means 1125 divided by 1000. Now converted. So after 3 decimal, after 3 digit I decimal put kariba, that is 1, after 1 so write 1.125. Okay. Now question number 2I, 615 divided by 125. So first we write down 625 divided by 125 into, so 125 combination is 8, then again we multiply 8 in numerator, so 8 5 ja 40, 8 1 ja 8, 4 12, 2 carry 1, 8 6 ja 48, then 1 49 divided by 1000. Now 4.920, yes or no? Or similar you can write 4.92. Okay. Now 1 by 16, so 1 into 1 is 16 into, so 16 combination is 625, so we multiply both sides 625, so answer is 625 divided by 10,000. Now 0.0625. Okay, because we put the decimal after 4 digit, here is 3 digit, so put 10 after decimal. Okay. Now minus 3 by 4, so minus 3 into, then 4 into 25, so multiply 25 with the numerator, that is minus 75 divided by 100, now is minus 0.75. Again question number B, 59, so write down 59 into, then 200 into, so 202 means 5, so multiply with 5, 9 5 ja 45, 5 5 ja 25, 4 29, 295 divided by 5 2 ja 10, again 20, now 0.295. Now next question, minus 24 into 25 into 4 ja, again multiply 4, now minus 96 divided by 100, so answer is minus 0.96. Clear? Now next question, minus 53 into 250 into 25 means combination is 4, because 25 4 ja 100, then 10, so put 10, that is 1000, then 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20, 21, then minus, so answer is minus 0.212. Now next question, 47 into 400 into, so 425, then here is 25, now multiply, so 25 4 ja 100, then 0, now multiply with 25. Okay, so 47 into 25, now 7 5 ja 35, 5 4 ja 20, 23, then 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8, 1 9. Now R, then 5 7 11, so answer is 0.2 0.1175. Now next question number IX. 27 divided by 800. So 27 into and 800 into. So 800 means 125 we multiply. So here is also 125. Now 27 into 125 divided by 25 8 that is 1000 and 20. First you multiply 125 with 27. 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14, 3 17, 7 1 ja 7 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4 5, 2 1 ja 2, that is 5 7 3 3. So answer is 0.03375. Clear? Because here is 5 zeros, so we put after 5 digit 1 2 3 4 5 digit, then decimal. Okay. Now next question, question number X. 139 divided by 625. So multiply with 16 because 625 combination is 16. Then we multiply when 16, the denominator is 10,000. Then numerator we find 139 into 16. So 9 6 ja 54, 6 3 ja 18, 5 23, carry 2 1 8, then 139. So 4 2 11 2 2. The answer is 2224. So 0.2224. Okay. Now next question. 3186 into 1250 into. So 125 combination is 8 because when we multiply 8 with 125, so answer is 1000 and here is 10 is there, so 10,000. So we multiply numerator as 8, so multiply with 8. 8 6 ja 48, 8 8 ja 64, 68, 8 1 ja 8, 6 14, 8 3 ja 24, 25. So answer is 2.5488 because we put decimal after 4 digit 1 2 3 4, then decimal. Clear? Now XI, sorry, X double I. 133 divided by 25. So 133 into 25 into, so 25 4 ja 133 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12 13, 4 1 ja 4 1 5 divided by 100. So answer is 5.32. Clear? I hope all of you clear. Then next worksheet we complete in next session. Till then, thank you. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.